simplify. Now, you could look at adding and subtracting these vectors. You could put some points. You've got A, B, C, D, E. I don't know. Doesn't matter where you put them as far as points. You've got a vector from A to B, so we can draw that as an arrow. We've got a vector from B to C. We've got a vector from D to E. And we've got a vector from C to D. So if you look at all those vectors, could they be put together? Where did we start? Starting here at A. And if we added all those vectors together, where are we going to end? At E. So that would be how to simplify it using a graph. Does it make sense that whenever the letters match up, that AB plus BC will just be AC? And then here you have a C match up with another C, so that'll add up as well. And if you put this, if you would just switch the order of these two, then all the letters match up and you would say, I start from A and I go to E. Now what's happening in the next one is we got some values that are doubled, some values that are quadrupled. Sometimes the letters are put backwards. That means that it's in the opposite direction. So BA would be going backwards if AB is going forwards. So I'd like you to try simplifying this. I'll put up the answer in a second. Okay, it's been a couple seconds. We've got 2AB this 4AB, I'm going to write it instead of plus 4BA, I can write it as minus 4AB going in the other direction. I'm going to do the same thing with DC and CD. So I've got 6 CDs, and I'm going to subtract 2 CDs. If you can come up with some kind of image to help you do that math, that would be good. And what are we left with? We still have 4 ACs and 2 DAs. Plus 4 ACs plus 2 DAs. So I have negative 2 ABs, and I have 4 CDs now, plus 4 ACs plus 2 DAs. Can you see that if you went from A to C and then went from C to D, that's going to go from A to D. And because there's a 4 out in front of both of them, if you imagine factoring out that 4, then you're just going to go putting these two together. You're going to start at A and you're going to end at D. And we still have plus 2 DAs. Here too, these ones can be put together. So we have minus 2 ABs plus 2 ADs, because this one is the same as minus 2 ADs. The vector AB and AD cannot be put together the way that they are right now. But if we rewrote this one as BA again, then they do match up. Because you go from B to A to D, right? B to A to D. This question's bad. And that's the final answer.